I'm not anyone's girlfriend made my day. Thank you, Lord. No joke. No, because I'm not anyone's girlfriend, guys. Wala pa nakabilan ng AOMG ticket ko. But then, bawiin ko na lang sa work. Saan? Manood ka tomorrow? Yes, I'm gonna watch the finals tomorrow. Should I? Parang dapat ko takpan yung RRQ. Ecor Blacklist, then Blacklist for sure. Because I'm a tier 1 talent. I'm a tier 1 talent from tier 1. So, I'm gonna answer Blacklist. Huh? Wait! Guys, don't make any issue I'm just here to watch and support Blacklist. I'm not anyone's girlfriend. Okay? I don't have any crush in any pro players in Mobile Legends. Okay? I'm just here to watch and support our team. That's it. So don't make any issue. Like, I'm not even close to Kyrie. What are you guys talking about? Wait, what's happening? Plus, the reason why I'm wearing an RRQ jacket is because I bought this for a remembrance. It's a remembrance here in Indonesia. That's the reason why I bought this. And it looks really cool. That's why. Plus, I don't have any problems with the other team. I don't have any problems with the other team. It's all good. It's just that I am super biased with Blacklist. But I support all of them. Guys, please don't make any issue, okay? I'm not really into Mobile Legends players. I'm not really into them. So just don't make any issue. Favorite player of Blacklist? Oh, my Venus. Syempre si Queen Venus yon. I love Queen Venus. Go, Rog, dami mo palang crush. Mark, ini-issue nila ako. Andito lang naman ako parang i-support yung Blacklist. Bakit nai-issue ako? By the way, RRQ, like, they have a collaboration with Attack on Titan. I'm actually planning to buy the bomber jacket with the Attack on Titan design, but then they don't have XL because I like wearing oversized clothes.
May mo dyan may cutter. Cutter.
Si Mama.
Nakata rin ng cutter.
Si Mama na lang.
I don't play Valorant, guys. Sorry. I only play Well, I play different games, but then I don't really play Valorant. No hate, no hate. I'm loyal to Apex, guys. Apex Legends. Return playing ML, sure. For sure, I'm gonna return and play. I'll be back in playing ML, for sure. Because right now, I think Kaja is back in the meta. Not really sure. But then I saw a lot of players using Kaja. Because I'm a Kaja main before. Forza and Kaja. You know what? Indonesian fans are super solid. Like the way they support their team and the other players that they want to support. Like, guys, it's super solid. I love Indo fans. I love Indonesian community. They're super solid, guys. Plus, you know what? Oh, I don't have the picture right now. But then, we've been eating to this one nasi goreng, mi goreng. Like it's in a night marketplace. Like it's in the streets, but they have the best nasi goreng and mi goreng, and it's my favorite. We've been eating there for I think 3 times or 2 times. Hoy, Leonard! What's up, Leonard? And then, you know what? The cook, the server, they're all cute as in. I love them. They're super friendly, they're happy every time we're eating there. They have the best food, the best iced coffee. Wait, let me show you the picture. I took a picture with them so that we have a remembrance. I love them. Here's the picture. I'm not really sure if you guys can. Ayos kayo papabili kayo ng close ba kayo? Close ko ba kayo? Guys, kung gusto niyo bumili ng merch, meron naman sa sa Pinas. Doon na lang kayo bumili. Ba't pa kayo sa akin makikisuyo? Ayaw na ni Rog ng PH. No, it's not like that. It's just that, how can I say this? Like, they're really, like, they're super welcoming to the other people. They're super kind. What else? Kasi mostly, I don't want to offend you guys, ha? I don't want to offend anyone, but then, let's just be honest. Like, most of the time, some Filipinos are really toxic. They're really toxic to our fellow Filipinos, so huwag kayo magpasabay sa akin, nag-online selling ba ako? Do you know Glar? Wait, Glar, the player from the Philippines? Am I right? You speak English? I am speaking in English right now. I love Indonesia food. Sometimes. No, I love Indonesia community. I like the vibes of Indonesia community. Oh yeah, Indonesia team versus Indonesia team today, right? Because yesterday it's PH team versus PH team. Favorite food in Thailand? My favorite food in Thailand is what's your favorite food in Thailand? Not the mango sticky rice because it's too common. I feel like my favorite one is the one with soup. Pad Thai. Is it Pad Thai? No, Pad Thai is the noodles, right? I think it's the noodles. Tom Yum! Tom Yum! Tom Yum is my favorite. Can you speak Thai? Not really. I just know some common words like Chandrakun, Khop Ka. What else? I really can't remember it. Do you like nasi goreng? Yeah, I love nasi goreng. I really love nasi goreng. Sumali ka pa dito, Iska. Alis na ba tayo, Iska? Ang hirap kontakin ni Iska, guys. Are you gonna watch the final two? Yes, I'm gonna watch tomorrow. Wait. Favorite place in Indonesia? I don't know. My favorite place in Indonesia, I think it's the night market. I'm not really sure about the name of the night market. The one where we eat my favorite nasi goreng and mi goreng. Gulay tikungan? What's that? Is it rice? Because sabay ka pabalik ng PH. Yes, I'm gonna be with the Blockbox team. Still didn't eat any brunch. I'm so hungry. When you come to Blockbox, I've been there for how many days? But then, maybe tomorrow I'll go there again. By the way, guys, if you guys wanna get my photo card, I'm giving it away in the Blockbox booth. It's free in the Blockbox booth. Hi, Wawa Dana, miss you. Favorite restaurant where? Here in Indonesia or in the Philippines? Main legend in Apex. My main legend right now is Fuse since last season. But then, my first ever legend is Bloodhound. Have you learned some Indonesian words? I can Google search if ever. I'm not really good at like studying or remembering other language. Oo. Oo, Kowalski. Wala akong pambili ng hairlo. Joke. Oy, Ikoy. What's up? You know what? Ito na. Guys, I'll go ahead. Because we needed to go to the mall. Because I need some clothes that I can wear tomorrow for the finals. Because I don't have any clothes with me. Puro tawa eh. Neji, I wanna take a picture with... souvenirs? Wait. See you guys tomorrow if you guys are gonna watch the finals tomorrow. Sino crush mo? Secret, Ikoy. It's not a crush, okay? It's not crush. It's just that I wanna take a picture with someone, okay? It's not crush. I don't have any crush. Secret, no clue. Secret, no clue, guys. I-issue nyo naman ako eh. Manahimik na kayo, ha? Manahimik na kayo! Wala, hindi ko magbibigay ng kahit anong clue. Wala kayo dyan, mag-overthink kayo. Deserve nyo yan. Wow! Bye, everyone. Bye. Secret lang natin. Manimig kayo. I-overtake niyo yan. Bala kayo. Deserve nyo. Deserve nyo mag-overtake. Bye. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow at the venue if you guys are gonna watch the finals.